if your dog is terrified of the rain, they might just need an umbrella. I mean, look. She's literally not fazed because I have treats in my hand. See, we like the umbrella. Okay, come on, Chloe. My neighbors are probably gonna judge me, but the things we do for our pets. Okay, well, Chloe's not trying to go out because she doesn't realize that she's an umbrella. You look funny. She seems to be okay now that she realizes it's keeping her dry. I would say this umbrella is definitely a success. And if your dog is afraid of the rain, what do you do to ease their concerns?